Good morning, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Listen, today I just have like a calm video for y'all, right? Today is actually the first, it's New Year's. Happy New Year's to everybody that's watching this. Hopefully 2023 was great to y'all and 2024 is gonna be even better. So let it be a year to remember, obviously for a great reason. But yeah, so today's New Year's. Just wanna have a calm little video today. Honestly, I was just thinking about it. Like 2023 was absolutely amazing for me. Obviously started the year off, had my daughter. My daughter was born January 19th. So started the year off with an absolute freaking banger. You know what I'm saying? Can't top that. Obviously, you know what I'm saying? Throughout the year, I've been able to do some pretty cool things. We were in Aruba. We went to Arizona. We was kind of really all over the place. And obviously for the past couple months, we've been out here in Dubai. Kind of just living it up. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like we're staying in a super fire, like, hold on, let me show y'all. I think it's like a $3 million penthouse here in Dubai Marina, which is absolutely amazing. It's gorgeous out here. At nighttime, it's obviously a nicer view. But right here we have, I don't know if y'all can hear me over the wind, but we got the boats and stuff like that off the canal. We got the views, you know what I'm saying? Just beautiful views all the way around. Balcony, everything. It's just calm vibes out here. But back to what I was saying. Today has just been just an absolutely, well, this past year, 2023 has just been an absolutely amazing year. I've been able to hit trading goals that I never thought I'd be able to reach, hitting multiple five figures consistently. I had my biggest trading day last year, which was technically, I think it was like $33,000 or something like that in one trade, which was obviously amazing. Yeah, it was just a pretty great business wise. Like, it's been absolutely amazing. It's just been great. Purchased a whole bunch of property. I don't know. 2023 was absolutely amazing. It's going to be extremely hard to top it, but I know we will somehow. But yeah, today should just be a calm little day. I just got a notification for one of my trades, actually. Dang. So yeah, like I said, trading has just been absolutely amazing. I'm not going to lie to you. And this was not part of it. I literally just got a notification for this. I don't know if y'all can see on my phone. That bottom trade, I literally just entered it like 5 minutes ago. Right now we're up 1,200 on it. This is trading crypto. So if you guys did not know, for the past, week and a half, I don't trade the last week or week and a half of the year because the markets are pretty slow. There's not a lot of volume and stuff like that. So I don't trade what I usually trade, which is like NQ, gold, ES, NG, that kind of stuff, because the volume just usually isn't there. But crypto still has volume, and yes, I've been trading crypto for the past couple of days. I was out here playing golf. I played golf with somebody who hit me up on Instagram, and he actually turned out to be super, super just a cool dude. And he trades crypto futures. That's it. And he was showing me just floating P&L of like $18,000 trading crypto futures. And if you guys did not know, I used to trade crypto futures only like in the beginning of my trading career, or kind of beginning mid of my trading career. I used to do pretty good with it. But since I started trading just like indices and stuff like that, I haven't really messed with the cryptos too much, just more so swing trading it. But he inspired me to get back into it. He's like, yeah, bro, just get back into it. The bull market's happening, all this stuff, right? So I got back into it. And actually, I can show y'all right now. This is not what this video is supposed to be about, but I might as well. So I just showed y'all I'm in a trade right now that is up 2,300 if you see on the top there. Yeah, so up 2,300 on this trade right now. Literally just entered this trade. It's up 500, 600. It was up like $1,000 a couple seconds ago, obviously, but it's just fluctuating right now. It's just a calm little breakout. But I deposited $2,000 into this account 6 days ago, right? And if we look now, if we go to assets and we go to overview, I have $20,000 in there. Like 20, I 10x my money within a couple of days, which is crazy. But that's honestly the cool thing about trading. Like you can, like I said, I haven't traded crypto futures in a while. And then for the past couple of days or past week or so, I started trading again, and I was able to turn $2,000 into $20,000 just because of the trading knowledge that I have. It works across all platforms, whether you're trading Forex, futures, crypto futures, indice futures, whatever it is, you know what I'm saying? That's dope. That I'm able to do that. Sorry for sounding a little sick. I don't know how we done got sick. First my daughter got sick, then she got my wife sick, then she got my mother-in-law sick, and now they done took me out. You know what I'm saying? But I'm still feeling pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, back to kind of what I was saying. Me just realizing like trading is amazing. Like I talk about trading a lot, and I talk about how hard it is. I talk about how challenging it is. How like much discipline and patience you need when it comes to trading. But once you get this thing down packed, bro, like literally I was sitting at the dining room table just now marking up this trade for like 5 minutes, literally 5 minutes. Set my alert, I set my entry point, and literally it just hit. I came, grabbed my camera, turned it on and stuff like that. And by the time I started recording, I was up, what, 1,200? Yeah, up a couple hundred, up a couple thousand, just based off of some knowledge that I've learned from trading. And obviously, it took me a while to learn it, and it was a hard journey. I know a lot of you guys are probably traders as well. You kind of know the journey is extremely hard. It's long. You lose a lot of money in the beginning, but I'm just trying to tell y'all it's worth it. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's very much worth it. Like I said, I'm out here in Dubai. We've been out here for a couple months. I've still been able to make insane amount of money from trading. Yeah, because I can do it from anywhere at any time, and I'm just thinking like this is literally a way to literally legally print money from anywhere. And I say that a lot, but it's really just hits you sometimes. Yeah, I don't know. That's not what this video was about, but I guess what it's about. I guess that's what it's about right now. That's why I've made just a huge, like even the free content that I put out on YouTube. Like I have so much free content on YouTube, just about trading and stuff like that. It's because I really believe in trading. I really believe everybody should learn this skill. I think this should be something that people literally teach inside of schools. This should be something that at least people should know how to read charts. Like you should be able to look at a chart, look at a candlestick chart and be like, okay, I know what this means. Every person that's watching this, when you first started off, you had no knowledge of it. Nobody told you about it. Nobody told you what a candlestick was. Nobody told you what breakout was, support and resistance, supply and demand. And that's a problem because this is literally, like I said, something that I've been able to use to completely change my life, my family's lives, people around me's lives. It's just, I don't know, bro. It's great. But yeah, that's I guess that's my spiel for right now. I'll come back later with whatever else I got going on. Still in the spirit of just like reminiscing and stuff, or not reminiscing, but just being grateful and stuff like that. Like I'm just looking back on the people that's in my inner circle, people that's in my courses, how much money I've helped them make and stuff like that. And I'm not trying to brag or nothing like that. It just feels good. Like it literally feels good. Like, let me show you. Right. So if I like scroll down here, this is like I have a profits chat for my inner circle and stuff like that, where people can post their profits just to help motivate and keep people inspired. Obviously, we got people just sending screenshots and stuff like that of the trades that they've hit, which is great. We have this person that made, if y'all can see, like $21,000 in one trade, which is great. This person made $26,000 in one day. You can see it up here. This person right here made a calm $632 in one day. This person made $5,000 in one day. Like this is like, y'all might be seeing like $5,000. Like, and that's just numbers on the screen. That's $5,000. That's a freaking, I don't know. That's a down payment on a pretty nice car. You know what I'm saying? That's paying somebody's rent for 2 months, 3 months. You know what I'm saying? Off of one trade, one day. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. Like, and this is the inner circle. This is so. And speaking of the inner circle, and this is not this. I guess this is a promo now, but I open more spots for the inner circle. The inner circle is basically, you'll get all my trades. Like whenever you guys see me enter a trade, I send that out to my inner circle so y'all can trade with me. Y'all can take the same setups and stuff like that. But then it's also a hand holding one-on-one trading, just kind of program where I'll train you one-on-one on how to trade exactly how I trade. So these screenshots could either be from when they was following one of my trades, or they learned the information from me. They learned how I look at the markets and how I enter into trades and stuff like that, and they did it for themselves. Then they made that money. So that's kind of what my inner circle is, and I open more spots for it. It is the beginning of the year, so you guys should click the link down below. Every single time I upload a video, I say this all the time, it gets completely booked up. It's sold out because I can't take everybody, because like I said, it's more of a one-on-one hand-holding kind of thing. And if I took everyone, I don't have enough time in the day for that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I open more spots. So if you guys want to get involved in the inner circle, you guys can hit the link. The first link inside the description down below. I'll also put inside the comment section to see if you can even get inside of the inner circle if there's more spots. But yeah, then I also have my academy, which is more so all my courses and stuff like that. The inner circle comes with my courses and my indicator and stuff like that, but it's more of like a personalized thing for people who need more like personalized help, and they get my signals, they get my trade and stuff like that. But I also have Gemify Academy, which is just all my courses. So you can watch through it and learn everything basically that I know. And I can come in the Profits chat here and just like scroll for days. Like, we have people in here making crazy money. Like, this person made a calm $300. This person hit a 10-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which is amazing. That means you could have risked $1,000 and made $10,000. This person right here made a calm $1,300, $1,000 here. Like, it's $2,700. Like, these people, this is real money that these people are actually making and being able to pocket and use to pay for vacations, pay for paying their rent. I don't even know how much money this is. Somebody add up all this money right here and all this money and let me know how much that is. And that's how much this person made. That's ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? Cool, $400. Like I said, I'm not here to like brag or nothing like that. I'm not here to brag or nothing like that, but it's just, I'm just sitting back like, this is crazy. Like, this is crazy. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just blessed to be able to be in that position. Obviously, to be able to help people in that manner, in that way. But yeah, bro, I don't know. I guess that's what this video is about. I'm just grateful for being able to be a blessing, being able to let God use me to bless other people, and obviously being able to trade and learn and stuff like that. But being able to help other people make a crazy amount of money that I 5-6 years ago would have loved to make. Now I'm helping other people make it, which is crazy. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, trading has completely changed my life. I say it all the time. Everybody should learn how to trade. It's completely worth it. Even if it takes you a year, 2, 3, 4 years, it's still worth it. Like, it's literally still worth it. People spend 4 years in college to make like $100,000 a year if they get lucky. You know what I'm saying? With trading, let's say it takes you 4 years, which it usually doesn't. Especially like people that work, do the hand holding with me, it usually on like 5 to 7 months or something like that. But let's say it takes 4 years, and then you learn a skill where you can make an unlimited amount of money, like thousands of dollars a day, more than a doctor's salary. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Everybody should learn how to trade. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video. I just felt grateful. I just wanted to come on here and talk to y'all. The trade is still chilling. While I was talking for a little bit, the second trade I entered that I showed y'all, the one at the bottom, I don't know if y'all can see it, but the one at the bottom, it had spiked up to $1,000. Right now it's back down to $743, which, you know what I'm saying, I'm fine with. I'm gonna hold it for probably an hour, 2 hours, kind of see what it does. Kind of go from there. That other trade that's up around 2,600, I've been in that one for 2 days now. Actually, I re-entered it because at first I made like $6,000 on that one. But then this one, the one that I re-entered on, it was up like 3,000, but now it's down to 2,600, and I've been holding that for about 2 days. But I think I'm gonna hold that for like a month or something like that. See how that goes, because I actually like that cryptocurrency and stuff like that. But yeah, that's really the end of the video. Like I said, if y'all want to get the inner circle, I highly suggest y'all click that link down below now and try and get a spot. Like I said, we can't take everybody. So I would rush down there and try and get that spot. But if y'all found any type of inspiration, motivation, happiness, anything at all in this video, I ask that y'all smash the freaking like button, subscribe for more content. I'm going to be putting out, well, y'all already know, I already put out a bunch of valuable free content all the time. So if you're not subscribed, you're just playing yourself at this point. You don't care about getting rich and learning how to trade. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, I know you guys will enjoy this video right here. I broke down one of my most profitable strategies. So I highly suggest you watch this video right here. And I'll see y'all there.